welcome to Growing Guitar, Brad Paisley. I think you heard about him before, at least if you like these kind of cool country songs, then yes, he's kind of a legend there. So we're gonna look into the song Out of the Picture. Very straightforward song, guys, and we have 4 famous chords to handle with capo on second. Makes life absolutely simple and beautiful. So let's go and use that setup, capo on second, and we're gonna learn the G, E minor, C, and D. So let's start with G first. We have 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be the E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Let's go to C now. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. There we have it, guys. Now let's look into the strumming. Very simple. It's about 4 downs like this. Notice where I'm playing here. I'm playing on the bass strings normally, but on the 3rd down, I'll go down to play the higher notes down here, okay? So with that you get that certain rhythm. So it's total 4 down. So one round is like that. We have one main pattern and it makes up for like 95% of the song. It goes G, 4 string rounds, E minor, 4, C, 4, and D, 4. Let's do that for one round. It goes like this. I made 2 of each and then there just to shorten this up a little bit, but still G4, E minor 4, C4, and D4. That is one main round, okay? Now we have like bridge in this song as well. So the chord progression right before the bridge starts, I can just mention that first because the bridge starts at 2 minutes and 8 seconds in. The round just before goes G4, E minor 4, C4, D2, and G2. So let's play that first. 2, 3, 4, E minor. 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, G, 2. All right. And then comes the bridge. At 2:08, it goes D4, C4, D4, C2, and D2. So basically you're switching between the D, C, D, C all the time. So D4, C4, D4, C2, D2. So let's play that together. D, 3, 4, C, back to D, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, and main. E minor, C, D. And play that till the end, guys, and that is Out of the Picture from Brad Paisley. A great song and very simple, of course, also a guitar friendly song. So give it a shot. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.